Hello and welcome to Inkie's Business Builder. So you've landed on the onboarding flow, and this is the various steps to help you get set up easily. And a little bit of navigation for you. You can click on the Inkie chat icon here and the documents here at any point if you want to jump to different areas. And this onboarding has the instructions and the video. The instructions, you can get Inkie to read it out to you anytime you see this little icon here. The most important thing that you need to know is that you can't say anything wrong. Spelling and grammar don't matter. Everything is editable. You can change your mind, update documents at any point. And if you don't understand anything, just ask the chat. The AI has all the information that you should need to help you get back on track. If you're using the Inkie Voice, like I said, you can click that to listen at any point. Within the AI helpers, you hold the space bar down to record to your reply, so you don't need to type anything. If you do get stuck and you need additional help, if you click that link there, that takes you through to the contact page on our website, and you can email us, you can book a one-to-one with me, or you can contact us via social media. Once you're ready to begin, click Mark as complete or continue to move on to step 2.